Hi guys, it's my turn. I made um a non-spillable paint can thingy, and I'm going to be drawing it. And I have started with the brushes. So after this, I'm gonna make the brush. Yes, the brush is getting made right now. So after the brush is made, that's probably going to be right now, I'm going to make the pot. I'm currently making the top of it right now. I'm going to get working on the bottom later. So now that I've made the top of the non-spillable paint pot, I'm starting to make the bottom. And I'm also going to write it. Wait, yeah. Finished pot. Yeah, finished paint pot. I guess that's what I'm going to write. Oh, yeah. I'm going to write everything right down there. It might be hard to see. Well, it's right in the corner. That's it. Okay, bye.